I'm going to show you how to watch Instagram Reels in full screen. So basically, let's go to Instagram. And what you want to do is go to the Reels tab. And let's say you want to watch this reel, but you want to watch it without all of the captions and the channel name and all these options here on the screen. All you have to do is go to the reel that you want to watch full screen, go to the two lines at the bottom right-hand corner here, and you want to go ahead and choose playback. Once you choose playback, go ahead and choose full screen, and now all of that stuff disappears. Now, it is important to know that once you choose a different reel to watch, so if I were to scroll up and watch another reel, all those things come back. You would have to go ahead and hit those two lines again, go hit playback once more, and then go ahead and hit full screen for all of those options to disappear. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to watch Instagram Reels in a full screen.